Bitcoin is falling, but you still don't know how to profit from it? I have something that will help you. tradingbot, a fully automated trading bot, instant trade execution, complete market analysis, and the highest success rate on the market. Enough talk, let's get down to business. Today, the bot will have the task of making $2,000, and for that, we need to fully configure it. For those who haven't seen the video with the latest update, we recommend watching it. The limit has been set, the bot is fully configured and has already started trading. All that remains is for us to simply watch as the bot generates profit for us. You can get the auto trading bot completely free of charge via the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Try the auto trading bot and you'll never go back to manual trading again. The bot closes 2 amazing deals in profit and our balance starts to grow. Excellent, but this is only the beginning. It will be interesting to see how long it takes our automated bot to make $2,000. Also, for those who have never traded with an automated bot before, a test version is available in the bot, which anyone can try to see how good the Autobot is. Simply follow the link in the description and your personal Autobot will be yours. Oh my god! What is this money-making printer doing? 5 trades in a row are profitable thanks to the Autobot. Where else will you find such a high success rate and accuracy? Share your opinion in the comments. What do you think of our Autobot and what videos would you like to see featuring it? And we will definitely film them. This is the first unsuccessful trade from the automated trading bot, but I'm confident that it will easily recover from this loss and still bring our balance up to $2,000 in a matter of minutes. I simply can't believe my eyes. If the bot closes our trade in profit right now, our goal will be achieved in less than 3 minutes. This is simply amazing. Just try this Autobot and all your doubts will disappear. Do I even need to say anything, friends? $2,000 is already in our balance in just 2 minutes. What are you waiting for? Start earning with us today. Link to the bot in the description.